Hey, what's up, guys? This is again Showtime DMZ, and Apple had another event on which they introduced all new products. And in today's video, we will be discussing one of them, which is the iPhone SE, the all new iPhone SE 2022 version that will be coming out very, very soon. And it has been announced on today's Apple March 8th event. So here is the quick brief review of what is to be expected and what it will actually bring, this new great product. So at this moment, you are seeing the all-new iPhone SE 2022 models that are already announced officially from the March 8th event. So as you can see, one of the major things with this iPhone is the A15 Bionic Chip. It is with Apple Silicon. It of course has this 6-core GPU or 6-core CPU actually, which is 1.8 times faster than iPhone 8, twice as fast as iPhone 7, and thrice as fast as iPhone 6. Of course, then there is the 4-core GPU, which of course a CPU brings with itself amazing advancements. It is 2.2 times faster than iPhone 8, 3.7 times faster than iPhone 7, and 5 times faster than iPhone 6s. And also, this Apple Bionic Chip, A15 Bionic Chip, has a 16-core neural engine which creates 26 times more operations per second than the iPhone 8 itself. Of course, not to mention that this A15 Bionic chip is actually exactly the same chip that we have in the iPhone 13 models as well. And now you're seeing on your screen the all color options or color variants that are available for this new iPhone SE 2022. So these are, of course, first one is red, the product red version, which is nothing special about it. Then there is the Starlight version, which is very close to being the white color, and then there is the midnight version, which is a mixture, probably a mixture of a very dark tone blue and black. Unfortunately, with these new iPhones, we don't have a Face ID, but the old, probably we can say, all old Touch ID, which is still a very secure way of securing your iPhone, basically. It is not a surprise, of course, if I'll tell you that this new iPhone SE 2022 has a better battery life that lasts longer, and drumroll please, there is 5G in these new iPhone SE 2022 models, which is absolutely stunning. This connectivity goes to enormously large, better levels, higher levels. Also, of course, the camera system is also improved with this new iPhone SE 2022. It of course supports all the new features such as the computational photography of deep fusion, which was the first picture of the parrot, as well as the smart HDR4 that lets you analyze even better the photo that you are taking. And these new photography sort of lenses are still part of this new camera system that the iPhone SE 2022 introduces with itself. Obviously, the iPhone SE 2022 will be supporting the iOS 15 and benefiting from all the features that it introduces, all the high-end features of the iOS 15, such as, for example, the all-new focus mode, as well as the maps. The navigation of the maps is even smoother and better with the iOS 15. I actually have an entire video on the new features in the iOS 15. If you want, you can of course click the card in one of the corners at this very second. Furthermore, of course, this new iPhone SE 2022 is, of course, the part of the plan of Apple making their products environmentally safe. So here is the slide or the picture where you can probably read everything that is associated with this product being environmentally clean. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's basically Apple's new plan of making all their products environmentally safe till 2030 year. As the prices for these new iPhones are concerned, the iPhone SE will be starting from a little bit more than the previous version, from 429 or $429, and this is the starting price. If you don't know, these are like the starting configurations that you can choose for these iPhone, not the high-end specs such as the storage and memory. And so these new iPhones will be ready to pre-order this Friday and available from the March 18th, 2022. And so now let us discuss every single new feature that this iPhone SE 2022 introduces from the slide that we have been given on the Apple March 8th event. So this will be just a summary of the entire video. If you are tired of listening my voice, you can just simply get out of this video, but please click like still on this video and maybe subscribe to not miss any new videos that I will post. So the iPhone SE 2022 has A15 Bionic chip, which is the same chip that is used in the iPhone 13 models. The cameras are of course as well advanced, so we have portrait mode and portrait lighting, as well as other photographic styles or lenses that you can use, such as diffusion. The display is all similar, 4.7-inch Retina HD display. It comes with 3 new colors. It supports 5G connectivity, which is awesome, as well as smart HDR4. It has a better battery life, which of course lasts longer, logically. It has a IP67 water resistance, as well as Touch ID. And I must also mention that this iPhone comes with the toughest glass ever in a smartphone. This is the same exact glass that is used in the iPhone 13 models to protect them from cracking, and it is not only on the back side, it's not only on the front side, but as well on the back side. So it is two-sided toughest glass in a smartphone with this new iPhone SE 2022. And I must also mention that this new iPhone is not the only iPhone that has been introduced on this event, but also the all new colors for the iPhone 13s have also been introduced. So for the iPhone 13 and 13 mini, we have this new color which you are seeing at the moment, and for the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max, another beautiful color as well. So both of these colors are very similar. They are probably closest to the swampy green color. And so yeah, this is today's review of the Apple event. Thank you guys very very much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to click like and of course subscribe down below. These iPhones will be able to pre-order on Friday and available on March 18th.